Hi guys, today we got to deliver 7 V70 LDV to replacement for the brake pads and rotors for the rear one. Easy, not too hard. Leave that aside. After taking the bolt for the caliper, have to use for 17 spanner ring socket. Before taking the caliper out, just press with the flat end rabbit to push it back. Piston. That's the electronic one, but if you don't allow the laptop to maintain as open, you can press back like that. You have to take the rear axle nut as well. Before that, you have to take the cap out. To take wheel nut out, and you have to take this 13 bolts out for the bearing. So then after, we have to put in the same way, we have to take it out. Don't forget to click the thank you summit. Thank you so much for watching the video.